We created this project to solve the problem we had in the video spreadsheet for external access to Home Assistant, in which once a day and also as soon as our IP changes, it adds a row to this spreadsheet, having to delete them manually from time to time since we are only interested in the content of the last row. We created a script that first checks that the sheet contains more than 2 rows of data, and if so, it deletes the rows from the second to last, leaving only the header row and the last row that appeared in the sheet as the second and last row. Then we created a trigger that executes this script once a day. With a session started in Google, we open Google Sheets. We choose the project that contains the sheet to be modified. We open App Script in Extensions. In code.js, we paste the code that appears in the description of the video. We save. We execute the code. We must authorize access to the data from our account with advanced permissions. With this permission, code can be executed until we revoke it in the security options of our Google account. The code is executed. As we can see, the superfluous rows have been removed. Now we will create a trigger that executes our script once a day. We go to Triggers, Add Trigger. We parameterize it, function our script del rows. Deployment, heat. Source, time-driven. Type, day timer. Time of day, the moment of execution that you want. We set weekly notification even if we do not notify. We save. Our trigger is now ready and will now run every day at this time interval. Our automation is now in place and will run every day, and we will no longer have to worry about maintaining the size of our spreadsheet. We would appreciate you joining and look forward to your comments.